Have you ever wondered how some businesses seem to know what customers want before customers say anything? How banks spot risky loans months in advance? Or how investors move early while everyone else reacts late? Most people think data analytics in finance is a modern technical skill meant only for programmers and data scientists. But the truth is, it was developed to solve a very real, practical problem. Finance became too complex to manage with intuition alone. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. You look at your monthly expenses, notice a steady rise in food delivery costs, and decide to cut back before it hurts your savings. Without realizing it, that single action already follows the core logic of data analytics, using past data to guide better future decisions. This is the Learning Studio, where we turn accounting and finance into tools you can actually think with. What's really happening in that moment is straightforward. Instead of guessing, you're identifying patterns, interpreting trends, and acting on evidence. That process, collecting data, analyzing it, and using it to predict outcomes, is exactly what data analytics in finance means when explained formally. The same idea operates at a much larger scale every single day. Companies analyze sales and customer behavior to set prices and plan inventory. Banks study transaction patterns to detect fraud and assess credit risk. Investors analyze market data to forecast returns and manage volatility. When a retailer stocks the right products before a holiday rush, or a bank flags a risky transaction in real time, data, not instinct, is driving the decision. Modern finance no longer stops at asking what happened. It asks why it happened, what will happen next, and what should we do now. Internal financial data, market prices, economic indicators, and even customer behavior are combined to create forecasts, dashboards, and scenarios that guide strategy instead of reacting to surprises. This way of thinking didn't appear overnight, and it wasn't invented by one company or tool. Its foundations were shaped by pioneers in statistics and decision science, especially John Tukey, who emphasized that data only becomes valuable when it leads to insight and action. That philosophy later scaled through computing, business intelligence systems, and AI-driven analytics, transforming finance from record-keeping into forward-looking strategy. Now that you understand the intuition behind data analytics in finance, the next natural step is to explore cybersecurity and digital fraud controls in financial systems. Because as finance becomes more data-driven, protecting that data becomes just as critical. Stay curious, stay analytical, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio. I'll see you in the next episode.